If you want to learn how to submit your website to search engines, then this video is for you.
Hello guys, this is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video.
By submitting your website to search engines, it will help users to find your website when they search for keywords that you have used on your blog post. So we are going to do this by submitting our website to Google Search Console. To do that, I'm going to use a plugin, and this plugin will help us in two ways. That is, one, it will help us to submit our website to Google and also help us to optimize our blog posts for search engines. So let's go ahead and install the plugin that will give us the opportunity to be able to do these two things. That is, submit our website to search engines and also optimize our blog posts for search engines. To do that, I go to the back end, then I hover on plugins, click on add new. And the plugin I'm going to install is RankMath. RankMath is an SEO plugin that we can use to optimize our blog posts and also use it to submit our website to search engines. I have it right here. I click on install now. It is installed. I activate. From here, you can decide to connect your account, but I'm not going to do that. I just go ahead and click on skip now. Next, you make sure advanced is selected, then you click on start wizard. This is just a simple setup we are going to do. So it will ask you what type of website you want to submit to Google Search Console, and it's going to be a blog in our case, so we leave it as it is. Here we have the name of our website. I'll just change the first letter to capital. Website alternative name, I'll repeat the same thing. Going down, I'll choose a logo for my website. That is, if users search for the name of my website, they can easily find my logo. So I add it up. I have it right here. I select it. Instead of this home security, I'm going to enter the name of my website for SEO purposes. I'll just do the same thing right here. And I click on use this file. Going down. Now, if users share my content on social media, what image do I want them to see if I don't have a featured image for the particular blog post? So I click on add, and I can just choose any of my images right here. Since I'm talking about home security, I'll just go ahead and choose this, and I click on use this. Going down, I click on save and continue. Here, RankMath will still want you to connect your account to RankMath so that they will give you analytics. We go ahead and click on connect your RankMath account, because that is where we'll be able to verify our ownership for Google Search Console. So I go ahead and click on it. If you don't have an account on RankMath, you just go ahead and register. I already have an account, so I go ahead and log in, and I'm using Google. This is the email I'm going to use. I select it. From here, I click on OK, activate now. I choose my email again. Take note, if you are not signed into your email, you'll be required to enter your email and also password. From here, make sure you click on continue. Right here under Search Console, I have the name of my website. If this is your first time of doing this, you only see your URL right here. If you have been doing this, you may see a different URL. All you need to do is drop down the arrow and choose the particular URL you want to submit at the moment. Next, under Analytics, drop down the arrow under Property. Then you click on Create New GA4 Property. Click on OK. And you see the name of your website right here. And make sure you enable Install Analytics Code. Going down, you click on Save and Continue. In here, you need to make sure that under sitemap is enabled. It's very important because that is what we'll be using in order to connect our website to Search Console. So make sure all what we have here is enabled and selected. Then click on Save and Continue. Next is SEO tweaks. All these two should be enabled, except no follow external links. Make sure this is disabled. Then you go ahead and click on Save and Continue. And now we are ready to go. Maybe we can set up advanced options. We are not actually going to do anything here. Just go ahead and click on Save and Continue. In here, you make sure that 404 error page is selected. and redirections to is also selected, that is enabled. Then you click on save and continue, and now we are done. Save and continue. Alright, we are done setting up our rank map plugin. So after setting it up, it will bring you back to the rank map dashboard. Scrolling down, under local SEO, you need to make sure that it is enabled. The next thing we want to do is go over to sitemap settings, and right here is the link we are going to use in order to submit our website to Google Search Console.
If you are finding value so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It does help me out so that the video will be suggested to more people on YouTube and also benefit more people. Alright, let's continue.
Now if we open a new tab and search for Google Search Console, I have it right here. I click on it. Make sure you click on the first one, that is search.google.com/search console. Click on it. Then you go ahead and click on start now, and it will take you straight onto your Google Search Console dashboard. The next thing we want to do is go over to sitemaps, and you see that we already have our sitemap right here, that is /sitemap_index.xml. If we come back right here, you see that this is the exact link right here. So in a situation where you don't have it here, all what you need to do is copy the link like this, copy link, come back in here, then you go ahead and paste it in, then click on submit, and you see that it is submitting sitemap. Upon seeing this notification, sitemap submitted successfully, just go ahead and click on got it, and your sitemap will be submitted. By default, it has already been submitted for us. So when you begin to get some traffic onto your website, this is where you can come in order to check your analytics. So this is the overview. We also have performance. You can also use URL inspection in order to determine if your pages have been crawled by Google. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I go to the front end of my website, I just go ahead and open one of my blog posts. I copy the link like this. Then I come back in here, right click, paste, hit enter. At the moment, it is telling us that the link is not on Google yet. You can also use this feature, that is request indexing, in order to get your link indexed on Google. But you don't need to do this. I'm only doing it to show you how your pages might be indexed using Google. So indexing has been requested. I click on got it. So maybe after some time, you notice that the page has been indexed on Google. So that's it on how we submit our website to search engines using Search Console. If you want to optimize your blog post to rank better on search results, stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Keep watching, and I will see you in that video.